Unlock the true potential of your Facebook ads by seamlessly connecting them with Google Analytics for unparalleled campaign insight. Today, we're diving into how to integrate Google Analytics with your Facebook ads to track campaign performance, understand user behavior, and ultimately boost your return on ad spend. This is crucial for making data-driven decisions in your marketing strategy. First, let's ensure your Google Analytics is set up correctly. You'll need to have your Google Analytics tracking code implemented on all pages of your website. Think of this as Google's way of observing who visits your site. Next, we need to bridge the gap between Facebook and Google. The key is using URL parameters, also known as UTM parameters. On all your Facebook ad links, these act like little tracking tags that tell Google Analytics exactly where your traffic came from. You'll add these parameters directly to your ad's destination URL. For example, you'd typically set ad_source to Facebook, UTM_medium to CPC for costs per click, and UTM_campaign to a specific name that identifies your campaign. Consistency is vital here. Once your ads are live with these tagged URLs, Google Analytics will start collecting this valuable data, navigate to acquisition, then all traffic, and finally campaigns within your Google Analytics account. Here, you'll see detailed reports for your Facebook campaigns. You can analyze metrics like sessions, users, bounce rate, and most importantly, conversion rates. This tells you not only how many people clicked your ad, but also what they did once they reached your website. Now compare these insights with your Facebook Ads Manager. By cross-referencing data, you can identify which Facebook campaigns are driving the most valuable traffic that converts on your website, not just clicks. This integrated view allows you to analyze user behavior. Are people from your Facebook ads landing on the right pages? Are they completing desired actions? Google Analytics provides the why behind your Facebook ad performance. Based on this data, you can optimize your ad spend, allocate more budget to the Facebook campaigns that are delivering the best results in Google Analytics, and pause or adjust those that aren't performing as expected. This is smart advertising. By combining the targeting capabilities of Facebook ads with the in-depth analytics of Google Analytics, you create a powerful duo for marketing success. Start implementing these steps today and watch your campaigns soar.